Looking at your weekend forecast, we will have the potential for a few isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms Saturday night and then again Sunday evening. Most of your weekend will be okay though. 83 degrees for a high on Saturday, dry during the daylight hours, and pretty much the same way for Sunday, 87 for a high temperature there. So you will be able to get out and about and enjoy. Our storm system that brought us some of the rain here, that continues to lift off toward the northeast for tonight. That will drag any of this rain out of here, and I do think most of the night, and again, most of Saturday will be quiet. There is another storm system approaching from the west, and that's the one that could kick off a couple of thunderstorms around here. Now for Saturday night, there's just a low chance of this happening. 20% chance from Corsicana to Gulfway and up toward the Dallas-Fort Worth area, we could see an isolated storm develop. More than likely, most of us won't see storms. If a storm gets going, large to very large hail would be possible with any thunderstorm. And we'll go golf ball, could even be a little bit larger than that, and we'll put it at 4 out of 10 for the threat. But again, actually getting a storm going, 20%. So this is a low impact, hopefully, for a lot of us here across our northwestern counties, but we still have to keep an eye on it just in case a storm gets going. Then as we get into Sunday evening, east of I-35, it does appear we may see another chance for thunderstorms. And again, isolated severe weather will be possible, as we will probably get a couple of thunderstorms to develop. Large hail will once again be the primary threat with these storms. So again, not a lot of storms, but if storms get going, whatever happens, they could be severe. So hopefully we won't see much in the way of severe weather, but we'll keep an eye out for it. So your rain chances again, nothing for Saturday. Saturday night, it's only 20% northern areas, 30% eastern counties on Sunday, back down to 0 Monday and Tuesday, and then we may start to see it increase by the end of next week. So let's check out our future track. All the rain pushing away from the area for tonight going into Saturday morning. I think the clouds remain though, and there could be a little bit of drizzle here and there as we head into Saturday morning. By the afternoon hours, things begin to clear out a little bit, partly cloudy skies, nothing happening during the day Saturday. But for the wee hours of the morning, Saturday night into Sunday morning, again, maybe a couple of thunderstorms getting started out to the west and then pushing off toward the northeast, mainly staying out of our area, but it could clip some of our northwestern counties if those storms get going. Again, large hail would be the primary threat with those, along with a little bit of lightning associated with it as well. Then as we make our way into Sunday afternoon, this is stopping here at 5 p.m. Notice it doesn't have a lot going on, but there still could be a couple of thunderstorms that develop east of I-35 as our next front moves into the area. So for tonight, temperatures down into the low to mid 60s for us. It should be a mild night for you. Then tomorrow, highs into the 80s. We may even push the upper 80s to near 90 across our far western counties, as they will see a lot more sunshine over there. And looking at your forecast, 83 degrees on Saturday, 87 Sunday. Again, Saturday night, isolated storm threat north. And then for Sunday, primarily eastern half of the area, as we'll put that at 30%, 87 for a high. Down to 73 on Monday, 81 Tuesday. Then it's back to a 20% chance of an isolated storm Wednesday, 88 for a high. Then our next storm system approaches, and it's a little bit stronger than what the models had yesterday. We'll see how this fluctuates. I'll keep about a 20 to 30% chance of rain in. One of those days could go higher. It'll all be dependent on the speed and track of the next system, but I did bring temperatures down just a little bit. As we look at the Brazos Valley, 83 degrees for a high on Saturday. I think you're quiet Saturday and Saturday night. Sunday evening, again, a slight chance for a couple of thunderstorms. And then that front comes through, 74 on Monday, 81 Tuesday. And by the end of next week, again, we may have that storm system getting closer for a chance for a couple showers and storms.